Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite wreath makers channel. I'm picking everyone. I know that I'm not. There's way too many out there, so maybe I might fit somewhere in there, but anyway. Welcome back everyone to Carolina Girl Wreath. Teresa, y'all know me, most of you, well my faithful ones do, from day one, and so I welcome you back today for joining me. One of my favorite parts of the day. And anybody that's new, I welcome you. If you've stopped on me, please, I hope that you'll take time to watch this. Like I've always said, if you don't like this one, anybody new, you may find you might like another one. So just hang with me. You're in for a treat. But anyhow, I do welcome everybody, seriously. And I know you get tired of hearing this, but I want y'all to know how I feel. It don't change. I love the friendships I've made on here. The faithfulness y'all give me, the support, encouragement. That means a lot to me, okay? So anyhow, today I'm going to be making I'm sure somebody's probably made one on here, but then again, maybe not with this wreath frame. Y'all know me. Sometimes I come up with some doozy stuff myself. But anyhow, it's going to be a cardinal theme wreath today. Everybody loves the little red cardinals. I know it's their state bird, and I believe it's Ohio's. I had a friend say, the little cardinal birds. They are pretty, and so it's kind of going to be that theme today. So all I'm simply going to be doing, we're going to be making just a Christmas wreath on a 14-inch Dollar Tree frame. Okay? And we're going to be wrapping it. Now, I know they have videos where they wrap the floral ones and all, and maybe somebody's even wrapped this with ribbon. I'm sure they have. But we're going to be wrapping this one today just to make a simple little thing. Okay, I just want to keep some things going for my viewers and till my deadline comes that I can't make anymore. And I've still got about, I think, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've really got about 9 I want to put on here for my time, so I've got to really hustle. So I'm thinking this weekend, my husband has to work. Sometimes I like that, y'all. I mean, I love him, but sometimes, yeah, I'm glad he's working. I'm going to double up, okay? So today, I'm going to be the wreath frame, Dollar Tree, and all this is Dollar Tree material except for the ribbon I'm about to show you. And the ribbon came from, I think I got it Craft Outlet. That's the only thing that on this video I got from there. So we're going to be using this pretty red cardinal ribbon. I've put her on another wreath before, but isn't she pretty, guys? Just love her. I think that's the male. Yeah. Yeah, they say when they appear, angels on here. I believe that. Okay? And then all you'll need is some pipe cleaners. Just a couple, maybe a couple for the bow. And yeah, I'm doing a bow, guys. And I think you'll like my bow. I made one just recently just like it. So you'll see. And then a little greenery. I've got this bag here. I'm not sure what yet I'm going to use. But and of course your floral wire. Or even a pipe cleaner I do. And then for the finale, I found this big huge bell, Hobby Lobby. I couldn't help it. Something about it I love. And it was half price. So I'm thinking, seriously, I got it for $3 and something. Yeah. So I'm going to hang this on my door so I can be sure to hear Santa Claus when he comes. Okay. Guys, I know I kid a lot sometimes, and sometimes I don't mean to. Sometimes I'm just me, and y'all know how I am. That part's natural, but sometimes I do like to kid a little bit, joke around. Okay. So here's our ribbon we're going to use, and we're going to start wrapping a wreath frame. And I will tell you this. You can either use your row to pull it off as you wrap, or I went ahead and pre-cut mine. So if you want to pre-cut it, you're going to need 13 feet. Now, I know that sounds a lot, but you know, on most of your rows, I'll just grab this one, there's usually 9 feet. So you're probably going to take this, well, yeah, of course you are. This row and some more, okay? 9 feet in another row. And you don't have to choose this ribbon, guys. You choose your own, okay? So I'm simply just going to start wrapping our wreath here with the ribbon. Okay. I'm going to put her on my outer 2 rings here. And I'm going to start near one of the crossbars up in there. And I've got her just enough bent over here. I'm gonna put a straight pin right here in her, just till I get her wrapped and all. And I'll come back and I'll glue her. And guys, I must warn you, sometimes I do mess up, make a boo-boo. but anyhow, we're going to, hopefully I'll get through this without. Okay. So, we're just going to start wrapping her. And see, you know, it's like I thought one day, I've seen people do these wreaths with ribbons and stuff and all. But I said, maybe I can wrap it like you do a floral wreath. So that's what I'm going to do today. And you're just going to wrap. Now you can make them big as you want. That's how you want. You know, just wrap it like, give it a little slit or sideways look to it. And I know it's a pain sometimes, the ribbon, but that's one reason I'm going to go ahead and pre-cut mine, because bringing that spool through is kind of hard. So just grab your ribbon and take it on around. And I'm just going to say right quick, I hope everybody's okay today. I mean that. I always ask about you. You guys are important to me. The people that I've made friendships with and all, I think about you a lot. You know, we are the USA. We're supposed to be united. And I like to feel that we are. You know, we've kind of gotten away for some of that, but if I can still make a difference, then I try. And I thank you all for the ones that's always been here. So here we go. I'm just going to show you what I've got so far, how she's looking. Hoping you can see how I'm doing that. And I don't think you really need a teacher to wrap the wreath frame. Okay. So there we go. See, she's looking, looks pretty, don't it? It looks pretty. And I thought, you know, sometimes I can't always get the floral foams. I mean, the little rings. I like the bigger ones, but sometimes they get a little pricey. But for $1.25 now and to wrap this, be able to wrap it, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. I'm going to go ahead and continue wrapping her around, okay? Get her done, and we'll be back. And then we're going to head on to the next step, alrighty? So hang with me. Okay, guys, here she is all wrapped up. Isn't that pretty, guys? It's pretty. Okay, and it's on the frame. It's on the wire one, so, you know, that's a pretty good option if you don't have a floral wreath frame. Anyhow, so I've stopped off here back where I started. I'm just going to put me a, well, you don't have to. I mean, I've got my glue gun waiting here. So, see how I done? I've just got that much just overlapped it and took it around the back of it where I started. Make sure it's even. And then I'm just going to, there we go, glue this part to the back right here. Turn it down a little bit and glue it. And guess what, y'all? I got my glue gun on today. It's ready to go. Well, yeah, it is. Okay. So, I'm just going to turn, like I said, right here. Just give it a little bit of flap, turn down. And pull it, and that's to make it secure and tight. Okay. And just put some glue along there. Come on now, well, guys, she's on. Hold on. She's on, guys. I just got to put my stick in here. We're just getting a little low. Okay. Now, she should come out. There she goes. There she goes. I got to have a tutorial on how to work my glue gun. All right. So, here we go. Just seal her down there. Okay. Now on the back here, that's going to be where I'm going to put my little hanger after a while. I haven't figured out how I'm going to do that yet, but I'm sure you all, with your creativity in mind, you can figure out how to hang her. Or just place her like you would on a wreath holder right here. Okay, so make sure she's pretty much glued down. Okay. that dry a little bit. So here we go. So here she is. Here she is now. Little Cardinal Christmas wreath. And you didn't need the floral, the thorn wreath. Alrighty? So now we're ready to put, our bell on now. And you can use anything you want, guys. It's your wreath, okay? So you choose whatever you want to put on here. Just glue off of me. Okay? Alright. So for a bell, if you do, Hobby Lobby has them. And like I say, this was only like, I was surprised because of the size of it. It was like 6 something, but I got for $3, I think $3 and some change. But you put whatever you want. So I put a little of my floral wire in her. You can use a pipe cleaner. And I'm just going to take her. And if you get a bell, she already has this on it. So that's what I secured the wire to. And I'm going to put her up here where I just made my, let's see, where I done the top. I'm just going to take her, pull her all the way up so I can get her. Now if you do use a pipe cleaner or you use a floral wire, don't worry about it. The floor, it don't show as bad, but you can always put you a bow up here at the top. Bow at the top or some kind of other little, just tie it the best I can, guys. Okay. Just twist it around and make a little slip knot. Come on now. There we go. Okay, so she's pretty much in there. Get up here so y'all can see. Okay, there she is so far. So I like her. So now I'm just going to add the bow, and I'm going to put my little greenery I chose up here at the top. So guys, I'm going to do that. I do have a tutorial now. I don't want to keep you long. I do have a tutorial, anybody, for this bow I'm about to make, if you're new or anybody, on my bow dabber. It's just a simple 2-bow, 4-loop. I made it the other day on my little elf wreath back here. That's what we're going to be putting, the same thing there, that kind of bow. Okay, the green and red there. So we're going to do that, and then she's going to be all done. Alrighty, so I'm going to do that for you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back. So here she is, all done. I just want to tell you, okay, the bow here ain't it pretty. I love these ribbons. Hobby Lobby on sale, and you get a lot on there. I think it was 36 feet. So I done that on Wreath the other day, if y'all recall that watched it. Excuse me. My little elf one. This is a simple 2-bow, 4-loop on my bow dabber, and I have a tutorial on it. I put a little pipe cleaner there, glued her on. My Cardinals, I placed one on each side. I had 2 different ones because I wanted them facing together, so the reds are a little different, but that's okay. So what I've done up here at my little top of the bell, I took the little, I was going to show you. Oh, I'm sorry, hold on, I misplaced them, but all I did was take my greenery, and I took 2 pieces of greenery here, zip tied it or pipe cleaned it around, and just glued it on the top of the bell, on where the little rope part is, and my little, the berries are on there like that. That's got a touch of glue. So that's all on top of my bell. It's a simple Cardinal Christmas wreath. So easy to put together with Dollar Trees. Everything's Dollar Tree except for the bell and the ribbon. Yeah, I'm sorry if I told you in the beginning. The frame, the birds, well, everything came from Dollar Tree. Bell's Hobby Lobby ribbon. So how about a Hobby Lobby Dollar Tree wreath, okay? How's that, guys? But It's so simple, yet so pretty, especially for the cardinal lover. So there you go. I really hope you enjoyed it today. I did figure out how I'm going to hang mine. If you can see up here, where you fold the top when you finish wrapping and you glue it down, a pipe cleaner is what I did, will slide right through the top of that, and you've got your place, make you a hook. That's what I did. So everyone, guys, I hope you really like this. I'm going to put it on my door for you to give you a better look at it on my door. I also want to tell you, though, before you cut off my video, I'm showing you a picture of the October giveaway this month. And the reason I had to take a picture of it, it's in a cardboard box how it came. I didn't want to open it because it's, I just didn't want to do that. I know what it is. I've seen it. It's securely packed in. So I want to share with everybody what the lucky winner might be getting this month, okay? So hang with me till the very end. Okay, let's go hang around the door. Alrighty. Okay, everyone, here she is on my real door. Guys, I have a real door. Okay. But here she is. I want you to see how she looked on the door. And I meant to tell you, now you can put your bow on the top, on the side, however you want to arrange it. Let's show you here. See how the hook I done her, fed it through the part where we folded over on the ribbon part when we finished. The berries, the jingle bell, cardinals. So just a perfect little wreath, I think. Simple and so easy with Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby items for anybody to make. Okay? So I hope everyone liked this one. Alrighty, let me go say my goodbyes. Okay, y'all, I thank you for joining me today. I hope everyone liked that one. Just a simple, sweet little wreath. It would make anybody happy or smile. Maybe you can make some of these, or because it's really affordable. I mean, the Dollar Tree wreath frames, you don't have to use expensive ribbon. Dollar Tree has some pretty ribbon. I just had this cardinal ribbon where I've done some cardinal wreaths in the past. And, anything you want to put together. So now you can wrap a 14-inch frame with ribbon. So anyway, I just want to say I love you all. I thank every one of you for supporting me, especially the ones from day one. I mean that, newbies. I hope you'll come back. Give me a chance to maybe show you that I can make a wreath. But anyhow, I appreciate every one of you guys. It's sunny and it's 72 here in North Carolina. I love the fall weather, but I don't want to get no hotter than that. But I hope where you are, everybody, that your day is going well. And remember, like I always say, look around. There's something to make you smile. Okay. I love you all. Till next time. Bye-bye. So, guys, here's the picture of the giveaway for this month. Beautiful little set of the LED flickering candles with the remotes. They came in a cardboard box, and I didn't want to take them out because they're packed so, nicely. I didn't want to tear it open. So, and it had, since it was a cardboard box, I couldn't show you that way. So here's a picture of it, where I ordered it from. And it's really nice. I hope that some lucky winner is going to enjoy this. I like them so much myself that I want to keep them. No, I'm that way. But anyway, this is it for this month. And I really appreciate you guys. And I do this because I do appreciate my subscribers, my faithful ones. I really do. So this is October's giveaway, alrighty? And just wanted to let you get a picture of it so you can see what you're getting.